The following message has translated request of the United States government. At 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a gigantic spacecraft has landed in the south coast of Los Angeles. It said, the capsules of the ship landed and it started to capture citizens across America and Canada. It says, there is a high chance of us being heard and captured. The person who is driving the ship is unknown at this time. Stay tuned for further updates. The following message has translated request of the National Space Station. At 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a gigantic asteroid named Donator 2b is hitting the Mexico beach at the next 24 hours. All residents in Mexico must evacuate immediately. A massive 250-meter tsunami will form. 2.9 earthquake will occur. If you do not evacuate, you will be at risk and sudden death. Laws in Mexico is changed about 150 miles per hour, so you can drive as fast as you can with the law changing because of this problem. Stay tuned for more updates and information. Following message has been translated request of the United States government. The driver of the ship is now identified as Emily 2023. Emily 2023 is the driver of this ship and landed on Los Angeles about 2 days ago, and we have some breaking news to tell you. Emily 2023 is starting to kill people and dragging them to the ship and dragging them one by one. If you get seen, hide, and here is no point of running. He can run so fast that he can kill you within 2 seconds. Hide when you see her. Don't let her chase you down. I repeat again, don't let her chase you down. As you can see, we are live on the news that the ship has landed and the town hall is destroyed and 1.5 million cops are shooting her down, and 1.6 people has died of this situation. Hey, you on the radio, you need to save our lives. We need your help. We got a charity that is called Save the World. If you donate $20, you will receive a gun that is made out of bullets and can use for protection. If you donate $600, we give you the AK-47 gun. Donate now to save lives. Goodbye for now. The following message has been translated request of Japanese government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a hypersonic nuclear missile has been launched in the coast of America. This hypersonic bomb can wipe out everything in its path. This is used by the Emily 2023 situation. The hypersonic missile will hit about the next 30 minutes. Please seek shelter immediately.
Breaking news, Emily 2023 has killed 2 million people and 5,000 missing at this time, and we still have 9 days left until the impact. We will be killed by the name of the asteroid called Donator 2b. Make sure you survive. More news will come soon. Sorry if I'm panicking, but I'm running to go to another state. Bye guys.
have interrupted your normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been translated. Request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Emily 2023 has killed 99% of humans around the world and sprints about 20,000 miles per hour, and became a serial maniac killer. Hide as quickly as you can. He won't kill you until you're hiding. If you're not hiding, you're dead. Rockets detected. The closets can keep you safe. Hide one as fast you can. It's like the game on Roblox, but different. Scientists are trying to get Emily 2023 back in the Roblox world and never return ever again. And also, rockets detected that 1.3 million Emilys are cloned and attacking citizens to become one of them. 2.3 million rockets are landed with evacuation for the next 7 days. Get on the ship immediately and evacuate Earth. It will only be a minute to strike in the several countries: India, Pakistan, Russia, Indonesia, Germany, Poland, Italy. Get in the evacuation ship and go to another planet that is safe for good. My dear Americans, it is time to get out of this world. It is filled with Emilys. We're going to another planet for our safety. Goodbye Earth and everyone who didn't make it to the ship. God bless America, you guys.
The following message has been translated. Request of the United States government. This is it, world. The day has come. 2 evacuation ships are launched and 2.5 million people are stuck down to Earth. There is nothing you can do to save yourself. You can do anything like breaking laws, drinking bars for last time, communicating suicide. Don't tell your children that you're suiciding for the final time. Gather friends and family to prepare for the end. This is me, Tom, signing off for the final time with the national anthem. Goodbye, Americans.